Hi, my name is Craig Solgett, and I'm a captain with the Metropolitan Police Department in Washington, D.C. My thesis, titled Forming the More Perfect Union, delves into the essential roles of trust and communication in emergency management, with a specific focus on the Homeland Security Enterprise. Given the increasing complexity of modern emergencies and disasters, this examination is more relevant than ever. My thesis adopts a social identity perspective to analyze the dynamics of trust and communication within the Homeland Security Enterprise. A central theme of the thesis is the Incident Command System, or ICS, a foundational element in emergency management. However, the ICS often faces challenges due to inadequate trust and communication among agencies. Through a detailed analysis of major incidents such as Hurricane Katrina and the Boston Marathon bombing, the thesis underscores how these deficiencies can impede effective coordination and response. The concept of trust is examined in depth. In the context of emergency management, trust is a complex, multi-layered factor that influences interactions at various levels, from individual responders to entire organizations and the broader system they are part of. The thesis illustrates how a lack of trust can lead to coordination problems and weak response efforts, as evidenced in situations again like Hurricane Katrina and the Washington Navy Yard shooting. Trust is not merely an aspect of human interaction, but also a critical factor that enhances the effectiveness of communication and collaboration. A strong foundation of trust leads to smoother communication, fewer misunderstandings, and better execution of joint strategies. This analysis reveals how shared identities and experiences can contribute to a more unified approach in emergency management. The thesis also focuses on the concept of social identity, exploring how in-group and out-group dynamics can either facilitate or impede collaboration. In high-pressure scenarios, the notion of a shared identity becomes crucial, fostering unity amid diversity. This concept is effectively demonstrated by countries like Sweden and Israel, where military conscription has nurtured a sense of unity and solidarity. These systems have allowed individuals from various backgrounds to cultivate common experiences and identities, thus enhancing trust and cooperation. The thesis emphasizes that in times of crisis, a natural emergence of solidarity and unity can overcome traditional divisions. From these insights, my thesis proposes an innovative approach: the introduction of a civil service conscription program in the United States. Such a program could significantly improve trust and communication within entities like the ICS, potentially revolutionizing interagency collaboration in disaster response. My thesis, titled Forming the More Perfect Union, is more than an academic study. It's a call to action for a strategic shift in how we prepare for and respond to emergencies. By embracing the principles of trust, communication, and shared identity, we can better equip ourselves to face the challenges ahead.